Trying Somali food for the first time ever. 1. A Somali beef mimosa. Wow, very crunchy, yum, 8/10. 2. Rice and sukar. Very flavorful, warms my heart, 7.8/10. 3. Somali traditional spicy sauce with rice. Insanely spicy, but rice is delicious, 8.2/10. 4. Somali guava juice. So thick, 5/10. 5 is Somali liver. Very chewy, never tasted something like this before, 7/10. 6. Asabayat bread. It's like naan bread, so fire, 9/10. 7. A halwa Somali dessert.
How do you eat that?
The sweetest thing ever, very yummy, 8/10.